Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn interview question on object class. Which kind of the interview question is asked in the object class? What is object class in Java? Which class does not override the equals and hashcode methods, inheriting them directly from class object? What are the methods of object class? Difference between equal to operator and dot equals method? Answer is equals is the member of the object class which returns true if the content of the objects are same. Whereas equal to operator evaluate to see if the object handlers on the left hand and right hand are pointing to the same object in memory. So let's see an example. Here we create a class test implements clonable. There is no need for implementing class. There is a one. Just create a test class. Here we create a two object s1 and s2 with the string hello hello. If we print, if we check s1 equal to s2, it will give false because they are not pointing to the same object. They are pointing to the different object in the memory, but the content for those object is same. So if you check with the equals method s1 dot equals s2, it will give the true result. So output will be the false in the case of equal to operator, and the result will be true in the case of equals method. Next question is, what is get class method in Java? What is hashcode method in Java? What is cloning in Java? What is shallow cloning in Java? What is deep cloning in Java? What is toString method? What is default cloning, shallow or deep? What is clonable interface in Java? What is internal implementation of toString method? What is finalize method? What is wait and notify method? What is the parent class of every class? What is the parent class of an interface? Which exception is thrown by clone method of object class? Why wait and notify method is given into object class since they are related with thread class? When finalize method execute in Java? So friends, these are the some questions regarding to the object class. So I hope you know the answer of these questions because we have covered all these topics in the object class and the cloning class videos lecture. Still, if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me. You are free to ask me. I will give the answer and I will try to explain more. So thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.